In this video, I will show you how to install and use Microsoft Office applications in your mobile. So right now I'll show you the best and easiest way to easily get and use MS Office applications for free on your mobile. So right now I'm on my Android phone. You can follow these same steps on your iPhone. First of all, go to your App Store or your Play Store, and now you have to search for Microsoft Office. And here you will find this Microsoft 365 Office. So all you have to need, just install this app on your mobile. Once the app successfully installed, go ahead and launch the Microsoft 365 Office app. And now you have to sign in here using your Microsoft account. So if you don't have any account, just tap here to create a free account. So I'm going to sign into my account here. And now you can start a 30 days free trial, but I'm going to skip for now. Okay, once you successfully signed into your Office 365 app using your Microsoft account, now to use Office applications, here just tap on this create icon, and now here we can see Microsoft Word application, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and PDF. To create a Microsoft Word document, just tap on Word, and let's create a blank document here. And now you will directly jump into Microsoft Word app. Now you can easily create your document here. Go back from here, and now here you will find all of your created Microsoft Word files. Go back from here to create a Microsoft Excel. Just tap on Excel, and let's create a blank workbook. And now you will be able to use Microsoft Excel here. So that's how we can easily get Microsoft Office apps in our mobile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.